Now in the discrete series we have been given x and f. So how to go about geometric mean in this case? First of all we will take log x. This is our x. We have to take log. So 5 one digit 0.50 under 0 it is 6990. 15 two digits are there. So 1.15 under 0 is 1761. 25 again two digits. So 1.25 under 0 is 3979. Again two digits. So 1.35 under 0 is 5441. Again 1.45 under 0 is 6532. Now next column will be f log x. We will multiply f with the log x. So 5 into 0.6990, 3.495. This will be multiplied 8.2327, then 20.9685, then is 38.602, then is 13.225. So now when we will add it, it will be sigma f log x. Here sigma f log x comes out to be near about 84.52. Now we will apply the formula for the calculation of geometric mean. The formula is NT log of sigma f log x. Sigma f log x is 84.52 something divided by n. Here frequencies total will be Rn. So here n is 60 in this question. So 60 here. So now we will be taking NT log of 1.4087. So looking at the anti-log 0.40 under 8, then under 7 it is 2563, for example 2563. So before point one digit has been written, 1 plus 1 2, 1 2. So here point will be kept. So this was the case of discrete series. Now let us see a case of continuous series also. Now this is the problem of continuous series, in which you can see that you have been given class intervals from 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, like this class intervals have been given, and frequency is also there. And in discrete series we have seen only mid values were there. Now the process is same. From the class interval we will take the mid values, that will become our x. So here the mid value is 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. Now we got the x. So directly now we can calculate log x. So two digits, 1 point. The log of 15 under 0 is 1761. Again two digits, 25 under 0, 3979. Again two digits, 35 under 0 is 5441. 45 under 0 is 6532, and 55 under 0 is 7404. Now f log x. How the f log x is calculated? Just this log x will be multiplied by f. So 5 multiplied by 1.1761, it will be 5.88. Next will be 13.979. 23.16, 11.57 and 6.96. So when we will add this, it will be our sigma f log x. It comes out to be 61.55. Now calculation of geometric mean is based upon the formula, that is NT log of sigma f log x divided by n. N is the total of frequency, and here n is 41. So just put 41 here, and NT log of 1.5013. So 0.50 under 1, then under 3 comes out to be 3172. So before point one digit is there, 1 plus 1 2, so 1 2 here. So this is how the continuous series was also dealt with under geometric mean.